Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I wanted to show you an example of how to use Suno in a different way. So for example, when you use Suno, you cannot tell it, I want to generate a song from Taylor Swift or from Beastie Boys or whatever artist you want to try and generate a song from, because it will be barred from doing so. So I want to show you today how to sort of use a different way to try and recreate songs that sound like your favorite artist. So we're going to use ChatGPT for that, and I will show you all the prompts, and then I will copy them in the description, and then you will be able to use them if you want. So Suno is a AI software or website where you can create songs using all the styles you can see on your screen now. You can literally click on each of them and see what the styles are. Or if you have lyrics from a previous song, you can input them in the software and then add a style of song you want to generate it for, and then a title, and then Bob's your uncle. So today I will try and recreate songs in the style of Beastie Boys, because I was on my Peloton bike the other day and I did a class with Beastie Boys in the background, and boy, it's like really great. So I wanted to try and do that. So I've got the prompts already written there, and basically I'm gonna take you to ChatGPT. So I have the Plus subscription with ChatGPT. I don't know if you can do it. You can probably do it as well with the free version, because the GPTs are allowed, and I use a GPT called Suno AI v4 because it's being used by about 3 million people. So once in that GPT, you can go there, and then I will paste the prompt I've already written elsewhere, which is, what is Beastie Boys style of music as per Suno style description? And then, of course, my camera is in the way, so you click go, and then Suno GPT will look on the web and give you this kind of reply. So the Suno style description as per this assistant is this. So I will go copy, then I will go to my Suno interface. My profile, by the way, is bass mention. So this is Suno, and this is where you create songs. So you got the lyrics area, the style description area, and the song title area. Don't worry about this, I generally don't touch it. So now that I've got the style description from ChatGPT, I will paste it in there. I will remove the square brackets. Next, now that we have this, next we will ask ChatGPT another question. Give me ideas of titles of songs that Beastie Boys could sing. So just so that you have a title. Right. Very quick. Okay. So maybe let's take this one, Brooklyn Swagger. And then I go back to Suno, title, and I enter the title there. And finally the lyrics. So I will ask ChatGPT this question. Can you write me a song with verses and choruses under 3 minutes in the style of Beastie Boys called Brooklyn Swagger? And then let's go. And you have it here. So just start under lyrics there, copy that. So you'll be aware that with this GPT, it will try and push for the music to be generated elsewhere than Suno. It's this website there. So then you will have to sign for another subscription. So I always click deny, and I don't want this. Now I will go back to Suno, and in the lyrics section, I will paste the lyrics that ChatGPT has just generated. And that's it really. So you click create. It takes about 15 seconds and you should see a song appear very quickly. Now we're going to see if it sounds like Beastie Boys and if it feels like Beastie Boys.
This was coming poppin', swagger. All my here friends that sound music check it. One time for the borough. Brooklyn in the house. Swagger loud. We came from the stoop with the boom bap soul. 3 stripes on the kicks, now we rock and go. Spit facts in the snapback, cold and cold. With that beat, grit, yeah, we out of control. Brooklyn swagger walk like a king. Yo, no change, dragon, just the crowd we bring. Yo, raise your fist if you feel that swing. BK banging like a subway ring.
So I think it sounds a bit like Beastie Boys. It could be from them. And as you can see, the picture generated as well reminds us of New York. The great thing with Suno is that when you generate one song, it generates 2 versions of it. So we asked for a song under 3 minutes. Generally, this is a bit hit and miss. So this one is actually working really well because it generated. I ask for 3 minutes because I often then push them to YouTube to generate YouTube shorts to get more followers and more views, and that work really well in that manner. So the good thing with, as I said, with Suno, it generates 2 versions of the same song, but you will need a bit of a musical ear to decide which song is the best to publish and then to release as a YouTube short if you want to use it like this. I mean, sometimes people want longer songs to release on different medium, on Spotify or other things. But as long as you have a subscription to Suno, you can then push them to distribute them on any medium you want. So let's try the second version.
Yeah, check it. One time for the borough. Yeah, Brooklyn in the house. Swagger loud. We came from the stoop with the boom bap soul. 3 stripes on the kicks, now we rockin' gold. Spit facts in a snapback, colder than cold. With that BK grit, yeah, we out of control. Brooklyn swagger up, walk like a king. No change, dragon, just the crown we bring.
Well, I can tell straight away that I prefer the first version. Let's try and recreate another one just like this. Be aware as well that you got credits on the left there. So I subscribe to the $10 subscription per month. You get about 2,500 credits. I've used a few. I mean, I tried the $30 subscription. Is too much. You can never use them. I mean, unless you create day and night. But okay, let's try this third version.
This is the sound for primary rubber. Yeah, check it. One time for the borough. Yeah, Brooklyn in the house. Swagger loud. We came from the stoop with the boom bap soul. 3 stripes on the kicks, now we rockin' gold. Spit facts in the snapback, colder than cold. With that BK grit, yeah, we out of control. Brooklyn swagger, walk like a king. No change, dragon, just the crown we bring. Raise your fist if you feel that swing. BK banging like a subway ring. Yo, back alley bars with a scratch like flame. Tag the mic like trains, we reclaim the name. From Bed-Stuy stoops to the jumbo frame. Swagger ain't bar, it's a Brooklyn game. Brooklyn swagger, step with heat. Rain G's crashing under 19 feet. From the heights to the shore, we bring that treat. BK thunder when we drop that beat.
So I really like this one. Let's try and listen to the fourth one.
Check it. One time for the borough. Brooklyn in the house. Swagger loud. We came from the stoop with the boom bap soul. 3 stripes on the kicks, now we rockin' gold. Spit facts in a snapback, colder than cold. With that BK grit, yeah, we got it control. Brooklyn swagger, walk like a king. No change, dragon, just the crown we bring.
Right, so I like the third one better. Okay. So I think I'm going to maybe use that one and release it. So Brooklyn Swagger. What if you really like? You can create more than that. You can try and create hundreds of versions. But I will stay with this one, and let's go publish. So in here, I generally put copyright, but then you cannot really copyright AI songs apparently. So I mean, it's just me who created it. So I'm just gonna go 2025 as mentioned. You can replace the image if you want there. Sometimes I replace the image with something a bit more that talks to me a bit more. I mean, I can copy the title there, and then I go to Unsplash, which is a free image platform, and I can type Brooklyn Swagger, and then you get this kind of thing in there. So there could be some interesting pictures to actually use there. I don't know if there is any Brooklyn, maybe let's go, I don't know, really, to be honest. Quite like this one. So here, when you have a plus, that means this is a paying subscription. I've got it, so I guess I could use it because it's a free. I mean, it's free. I can use them for free. It's not a free subscription, but so maybe let's click on this one, and I'm gonna go download small like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna use it. So if I go replace image, and then you can then confirm, publish. Okay. Actually, I think I should have. Right. So now that I have got this version I really like, I'm gonna go publish. Publish. That's it. Okay. So then I will have to go to my profile. To get your profile, you click on new profile, then you go click view profile, and then the video should be the song should be here. To put it on YouTube, you need to export it as video, and now it's done there, right? And then I will go back to ChatGPT and I will paste this prompts there. I will need the title for a YouTube short of this song, just which generated there. Do not mention the band artist I inspired myself from, because we don't really want any problem with them, as well as, and you ask exactly what you want. I will copy that prompt in the description as well, paste it, and then very quickly you will get this, which is amazing. So in the description, I ask ChatGPT to actually insert this so that people can find my profile. So from there, I literally need to just copy and paste. So I will go to YouTube Shorts. In there, I will click create, upload video, select file, and then it's there, Brooklyn Swagger. So if it's under 3 minutes, you will see the song will be downloaded, will be taken as a short. You paste the title in there. I ask for a hook, so that's the hook. Right, in the description bit. Then the whole description, copy and paste. And then as you go down, you'll have to choose a playlist. So that's AI music for me. Show more. doesn't use altered contents. Then the tags, we've asked for tags to be generated, so here they are. Generally it generates more tags than, and here again no hashtags, but we need the tags separated by commas, otherwise they won't be seen as tags. Okay, so copy and paste. So as you can see, it's red, that means there are more than 500, so you can just really delete the ones that are not really interesting. Okay, let's leave it like this for now. Video language, I guess I will put United States. Recording date today, 20th of June 25. And that's it. Next, you can add a related video, so maybe I can go to my to the ones I've created before. I've got one about got a wrap then here. Okay, next, no copyright issues found. Next, public, and then basically you will, I mean, YouTube is telling me there that it's better to post between 6 PM and 8 PM. To be honest, I never saw a difference, so I will post it now. Publish and close, and that's it. So if I go back now to my channel content, shorts is there. So sorry, actually it's there. Brooklyn Swagger, this one I've been scheduled to be released between 6 and 8 tonight. But as you can see, this, I posted this yesterday, loop number 7, and it's already got 269 views. The analytics show it's kind of took off in the middle of the night, sort of 6 AM, and then plateaued. But yeah, I mean, 200 views for a short is great. If you can generate 10 a day, that's 2,000 views, right? So here you go. This is the way to generate songs in Suno with your favorite artist in mind. I will generate another video right after that to show you a different artist, but I wanted to keep this content short, so here you go. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in another time in another video.